Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, we hope to earn your subscription. To our current subscribers, thank you. If you know somebody that may enjoy watching this video, please feel free to share it with them. We love it when you share our content.
I'll build all the, I'm in the garage, so I just let it reflect, and I'm come right in here. Come right in there. Oh, that might be the same one. Okay, Dan. You got it, huh? I've been waiting to yank that bastard out for a while. Me too. I got checkbook. Oh, you went and got your roller? Burn. Thanks for your payment. Yeah, that's it. Wow, 12 emails. Yeah, it's working.
It is. I need a little bit more weight in the back, and I need more power to go to the motors. The motors don't have enough.
If you're enjoying the video, please take a moment and leave us a comment to let us know. And
Yeah, I
we
need
would appreciate
the
it if you
12
give
volt,
us a
technically
thumbs
12
up.
volt motors anyways.
Oh, okay.
What scale is that?
Doing a damn good job.
160?
Yeah, for being a little Bruder, it's doing good.
You need a little future you can put your bucket on. Oh, you're just going to do it for wire.
I love that gate slap.
No gate slamming. Yeah. I'm not sure which we should float on. That's neat.
I think with the proper TS battery, that thing's going to be okay.
Yeah, I think so too. For its battery, maybe a little bit more weight in the back.
Oh, yeah.
Is it drum powered or no?
Non-powered. I don't know how to power that.
I know it can be done.
I know it can be done too. But
You shared the video in the group, but I can't wrap my head. I mean, I know how they work on the real thing, but
it
how do you
works.
incorporate that into these scales?
That's the thing. It doesn't have the.
Yeah, you need a drive on that drum too.
It needs more oomph.
More weight.
7 point something volts is not enough.
Yeah.
7.4 volts is not enough.